मुझे पुलिस ने पकड़ा था. आई गॉट कॉट बाय द पुलिस. बट बिफोर दैट स्वागत तो करने दो. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द एंग्शियस किड. माय नेम इज कबीर एंड I am at one of the best railway stations of Astana, the Nurli-Zol railway station. And how did I land up here? Well, that is a story in this vlog. So, शुरू से शुरू करते हैं. I am going to an autopsy at a morgue which is 90 minutes away from my hostel. And उसके बाद instead of taking a regular bus back to hostel, I'm taking a train. और उसकी बहुत सारी स्पेशलिटीज़ है. दैट ट्रेन इज़ रियली वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी. I'll tell you that in a while. So let's go. It's all dark right now because it's 7:30 and like first I have to get my water bottle refilled here. It's completely empty. So I'll just refill it here and then we'll start our journey. I think this is for the first time in a very long time. दो बार टाइम हो गया. But I think this is the first time कि यार I'm actually on time. I had planned to leave by 7:30 and right now when I just check the time, I have my watch but it is not working. I have not charged it for a while. But when I last checked a couple of minutes ago, it was 7:23 a.m. So that's a big achievement for me altogether at the moment. And we are off. This was our bus journey. अभी यहाँ से है a long walk of around 12-15 minutes. So, let me give you a quick update. I am on I'm heading in the correct direction. I'm on time. Everything is going great. So far, so good. As I'm walking and it is still a 10-minute walk. तो it is cold. फट रही है अंदर से. यार मतलब my hands are already freezing and it's 30 seconds. I was about to slip. But यार जब you have this kind of environment and it's not exactly the outskirt of Astana but it seems like one. और इन ओपन एरियाज में प्रॉब्लम यही आती है कि इफ़ यू हैव विंड it would be way fast. It would be मतलब pretty fast in these areas. If it is cold, then you will feel way more colder in these kind of areas. So it's altogether a challenge, and that's what excites me, and that's why I am here. And I think that must be the building where I have to go. So yeah, I'll see you around in a while. Look what I found. 2 dogs. It is very rare to find dogs in Astana, and I've found 2 of them together, and I think there are more over there. I hope they are safe. You have quite a few here. I think they are going to have a gang war now. कहाँ है? हाँ ये देखो ना, हाँ they are about to have a gang war. I better leave this place. And they are very healthy भाई, they are not like the Indian dogs जो एक शू पे भाग जाएंगे. So I have reached this location and yeah, so this is the location for the autopsies today, and the medical ethics don't allow me to shoot anything inside, and I keep my medical ethics on steroids, so there is no chance I will be able to show or tell anything what happens inside. But my heart and my condolences go to everyone who lost their loved ones due to whatsoever reason, and they happen to be here unfortunately dead. So once things get over here, I'll come back to you and we'll start the journey from this point itself. Also, I forgot to mention one thing. Yeah, I have been lucky today for this entire journey. I am on time. This place was an easy thing to find, and almost everything has been going very smoothly. And whenever things go extremely smoothly, I doubt that something bad is about to happen. Fingers crossed, but I don't want anything bad to happen today. So the autopsy season is done, and I'm not in a cab. I am in the car of our teacher, Bota Guzman.
Hi.
And we have our new people in this vlog, Jalaj and Dipank. Bhai, these people were crazy. I could not touch the cops because मेरी फट गई थी, to be honest. But these guys were the players. इन्होंने क्या क्या नहीं किया.
सही जब ब्लड लगता है ना तो मजा आता है. गर्मा गर्म खून हाथों चढ़ता है जो किसी के, जो रश आता है ना, ओह बेस्ट, गुड वन. मतलब एक्सपीरियंस अपन नहीं भूल सकते इस चीज में यार.
हाँ यार, लाइक
फ्रेश बॉडी अपने हाथ आई, अपने गर्मा गर्म अपने हाथ में खून था, फ्रेश ऑर्गन्स थे. बी अ सर्जन ब्रो.
I won't be a surgeon.
You should be a surgeon.
I will freak out. I will freak the hell out here. I cannot be.
But यार bro, at least try.
But these guys were the daredevils.
यही करना है कि सांस अंदर लो, सांस बाहर.
But यार, मतलब इन्होंने almost हर organ को touch किया. They used their knife and whatever apparatus we use in
Literally
that
cut the
autopsy.
organs.
They did everything. I'm leaving their Instagram handle in the bio. You can ask them in their DM कि भाई तुमने क्या किया, कैसे किया. किसी बहाने इनके फॉलोअर बढ़ेंगे. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी, दीस आर योर गाइस.
तेरे से ज्यादा फॉलोअर्स है.
मुझे चाहिए भी नहीं.
कौन सा मुझे चाहिए भाई.
कोई ना, थोड़े आ जाएंगे तो बढ़िया.
सही है ना, जितने लोग जुड़े उतना अच्छा होता है.
So our teacher dropped us at one of the bus stops. उसके बाद I took a bus and eventually turned out that it was the wrong bus to be taken. I assumed that it was bus number 9, but it was not. So I am stranded in this place, and I have to go somewhere over there because there I can find the correct bus stop. फिर वहाँ से I'll go to a supermarket. That is my favorite place, और वहाँ की अलग story है, which you will see in this video itself. Let's go. So yeah, I entered Magnum and I met this guy. He's Mansoor. Privet means hello. So I met Mansoor here and he works here. So he was very curious. So I told him that I have a channel and now I have another new subscriber to my channel. So yeah, he was happy to be in this video. Yeah, one more thing. After every XYZ interval of time, a person changes their opinion because they get more exposure of the world, of the society. तो मेरे साथ भी है ही ऐसा. अब आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई वाज इन माय सेकेंड ईयर, तो मैंने ब्रेन पकड़ा हुआ है. आई हैव हेल्ड ब्रेन इन माय हैंड एंड द स्मेल ऑफ फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड व्हिच इज द प्रिजर्वेटिव व्हिच इज बीइंग यूज्ड टू प्रिजर्व दैट इज वेरी बैड. But yeah, that was a part of my practice. So I did that. But today I did not touch any part of those corpses at all. मन ही नहीं किया यार. It was like कैसे बताऊँ? It was like I will dishonor them if I touch them because they are no more in this world. And उसके बाद like I have my own kind of principles and my own morals which I cannot break. तो उसकी वजह से I did not shoot at all, and a couple of my friends actually did not appreciate that at all. तो ठीक है यार, but in order to please some of my friends, I cannot shoot inside. And I think जिसके साथ भी बात हुई, he kind of acknowledged it and he was pretty chilled out with that कि हाँ ठीक है यार, वो ठीक है यार. I mean, some of us are comfortable in shooting around that place. Some of us were not due to different reasons, and I was among one of those who was not at all comfortable in shooting myself or anyone at all around that place. Filling is done, or now the final stop for us is to head towards the Nurli Zol railway station, and it is a beautiful, beautiful railway station. I don't think I've shown you that railway station ever in this video, yeah, in this channel at all. You will see that today, and maza aa jayega. So I'll see you directly at Nurli Zol railway station. Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my favorite railway station of Astana, although there are just two main railway stations, but still, welcome to my favorite railway station of Astana, the Nurli Zol railway station. For the past 30-40 minutes, I've been going here, then here, then here, then here. Why? Because I had a question regarding my future travel, and that got messed up in translation. So I was downstairs, I asked the officials there that, hey, do you have an office here where I could, discuss my query? I talked to a police official there. He asked me to come to 4th floor and asked me to, visit the cashier. Cashier told a completely different answer to my question. Then I thought that, let's find that police official so that this cashier and that police official can have a word with each other. They can explain everything in their own language. But I could not find that police official, and us journey mein I found another police official who kind of caught me. He started inquiring, he took me to another police official. They took all my details. They asked whether I work here or not, and I do not work. I don't have time to work, and meri phati bhi hai with the FMG exam, which is on my way in January next year, yeah, maybe in December this year. So there is no chance if I could work in this country. But then finally I met a very sweet सी lady who also works here as a TT, and she knew English, and काम तो तब भी नहीं बना, but she was like, Kabir, wait here, और जब ट्रेन आएगी तुम्हारी तो I'll let you know. So now it's 1 PM and I'm sitting here. So this is where I am right now, and if you look around, look around bhi chodo. You have KFC over here, and I was here. I came all the way from there. I went to that. Here's my finger. I went over that place. That police official went towards KFC. I came to the cashier. Cashier asked me to come here. Then I started finding that police officer. So I went there in that corridor over there, and then things started messing up. As I said, we are on the 4th floor, and this is the KFC for you. Or now we are heading towards the 5th floor. 5th floor pe I think you have a lot more restaurants and all. So let's try to explore that place without getting the intervention of police again. To be honest, this floor has a better vibe. यहाँ पे you have better sitting area and everything. Or by the way, you can wash your clothes here. How cool is that? Hello, Saraswati. So, why you can wash your clothes here? What the hell? Who wants to wash their clothes in a railway station? ठीक है it is what it is. Man, that's pretty cool. Salam, bro. Nice. It is like a food chain in Astana. देखो, the moment I was shooting that intro part, which you saw in the initial moments of the video, at that very moment itself, the lady, that sweet old lady who spoke English, called me back. She was like, dude, I need to talk to my boss again, and you need to be around when I'm talking to him. ठीक है, second time in a row it is in a single day. I told you, I told you that when everything is going smoothly, something has to strike badly. And this was the strange thing which has been happening all this while. ठीक है, ये भी ठीक है. यार वो पियानो प्ले ही नहीं हो सकता. आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट. मतलब there was a lady standing beside this camera, so she was actually hoping कि यार I could play something, but यार it cannot be played. तुम ये देखो, you have 3 pedals, ठीक है, and none of these pedals work, only that last one works. So this C note, if you press it, it is not coming out. How strange is that? Lighting is bad, but I found some nice good people. Meet them. None of them have subscribed to my channel, by the way, but these are the people, and I was just having a regular conversation with them. Yeah, those children were from Seme. Seme is a state, like a city in Astana, or they had come here for a football tournament. How cool is that actually? By the way, I have a question for all of you. Either I need to get some more literacy, or this is actually an issue in English. If you look at this, isn't it a part of the lingerie segment? How can we call it a restaurant? How can you add this word around a cafe? In case you are wondering if I have any regret of whatever I've done so far, घंटा regret बस इस चीज़ का है कि यार why did I buy this thing? मतलब 22 रुपए में 25 रुपए में यार ये मिला है, चीनी भी ढंग से नहीं है, चीनी बस दूर से फूक दी है इस पे कि हाँ शायद मीठी लगे तुम्हें. क्यों? अबे चीनी तो डाल दो, ये मत डालो. ये फूकता कौन है इस पे चीनी यार? ऊपर से गिर बहुत रही है. दिस इज माई जीन्स आफ्टर क्लीनिंग. अरे गिरी जा रही. अबे भाई माता गिरना यार, खाने तो दे. ऑलराइट, इट्स टाइम टू गो. अपनी ट्रेन आ गई है. इट्स बोरोवोय 2:40 का डिपार्चर एंड प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4. प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 जस्ट बिसाइड मी. लेट्स गो. YouTube. उन्हें लगा TikTok. भैया no TikTok, it's only YouTube. Are you frigging kidding me? Why, this is the same damn train which I've seen on Instagram, and I'm going to travel in this, yaar. Let's go. वेगन फाइल कौन सी है? छोड़ो, जो मर्जी हो वेगन. दिस इज आवर गाली आने वाली थी. दिस इज आवर ट्रेन यार. Those who are wondering why the hell am I excited about this train? भाई पहली चीज, this was started especially to cater to the crowd from Astana to Borovoy. So this is a special train which is being run by the Kazakh government. उसके बाद look at this यार. This is a brand new train, dude. भाई नहीं यार. You have this proper vending machine inside it, and like they always do, they have this provision of wheelchair as well. And that's the end. That's the very end. And I think this is the washroom. Pretty much like the Talgo one. If you have not watched that Talgo video, you should definitely watch it. Link is in the description. We have started to roll. Ganpati Bappa over here. It's a 20-minute journey, but I'm sure I'm going to make the best out of it. We are on the 3rd floor, ladies and gentlemen. This train is running on the 3rd floor. must have observed that I've praised Astana a lot for its infrastructure and for the train as well, because it is good. But one thing which sucks a lot. By the way, we are almost at our destination. So the thing which sucks a lot in almost every place I've been, whether it is meant for tourists, for students, whatever be the case, is the smell of cigarettes. I'm in this lobby area and it is filled with cigarette smoke, yaar. What the hell? Like, why? Why do we need cigarette smoke everywhere, dude? By the way, we are here. Oh yeah. I think apna... Arey, this is that same track from where I have been to Burawai. If you have not watched that video, link in the description again and in the I button above. And I think this lady standing here, this official, so I think the doors will open on this side. ठीक है जी, खोलो फिर. So I'm out and about. This is the area of my hostel. Around 200 meters from this place is my hostel. तो ठीक है. With this we actually end this vlog. One thing which I forgot to tell you is the cost. Cost for this train journey of 20 minutes, which actually got delayed by 5-10 minutes, was 240 tenge, which is almost equivalent to 40-50 rupees. And I think it's worth. If you're spending 40-50 rupees on this train ride, yaar, trust me, it is worth your money. 40-50 रुपये कुछ नहीं होता है आज के टाइम में, और उसमें अगर आपको ये सब मिल रहा है, ऐसा कुछ एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, then it is worth all your pennies, all your rupees, tenge, whatever be that case. So with this, we are ending this vlog. I'll see you in the next one, hopefully very soon. Goodbye, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.